We've been sold a simplified idea of intelligence. That smart means precision. Less noise, more accuracy, a clean signal. But biological intelligence doesn't work like a computer. If your brain operated with perfect precision, it wouldn't function. You wouldn't learn. You wouldn't adapt. You wouldn't survive. Inside your skull, neural activity is inherently variable. Neurons fire with timing fluctuations. Chemical signals drift. Electrical patterns overlap. From an engineering perspective, the brain looks inefficient and even unstable, like a radio filled with static. But that static is not a flaw. It's essential. Neuroscience describes a phenomenon called stochastic resonance. When a sensory signal is too weak, a perfectly quiet system fails to detect it. The signal stays below threshold, invisible to perception. But introduce the right amount of random neural noise, and that weak signal becomes detectable. This effect has been demonstrated in touch, hearing, and vision. Without neural noise, perception becomes dramatically less sensitive to the world. Computers rely on precision. When they encounter unfamiliar problems, they stall or loop. The brain avoids this through controlled randomness. Neural noise allows the system to explore multiple possible states. It prevents rigid patterns. It enables learning, flexibility, and creative insight. A perfectly precise brain would be computationally trapped, incapable of adaptation or originality. Neuroscience shows that healthy brains operate near a state called criticality. This is a narrow regime between excessive order and excessive disorder. Too much order and consciousness collapses, as seen in coma or deep anesthesia. Too much noise and neural activity becomes unstable, as in seizures. Normal cognition exists at the boundary, balanced on the edge of chaos. Noise is not something the brain eliminates, it is something the brain regulates. Clarity does not come from silence, it comes from structured variability. The brain does not remove randomness, it shapes it into usable information. This is not a biological accident, it is a stochastic masterpiece. It reflects the design of a great creator who understood that intelligence is not built from precision alone. To create a mind capable of navigating a complex universe, you don't build a calculator. You build a system that can harness uncertainty. You are not a machine. You are a dynamic system, a symphony of regulated noise. And the chaos you try to silence is the very thing that allows you to think.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science videos.